Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm a registered mental health nurse and I'm also a lecturer here at the University of Bradford working across the nursing programmes. It's great to tell you a little bit about my story about how I became a nurse. I came to nursing a bit later in life as a mum to two very small children. I was a single parent and coming back to university was really quite daunting. But I have to say, I did my studies here at Bradford and the support I had was absolutely brilliant. And there were definitely challenges. Sometimes how you juggle small children and studies can be tough. But the university is really used to helping people, and particularly there were lots of colleagues and peers who also had children. And so we acted as a support network to each other. And I was really proud to graduate from the University of Bradford as a registered mental health nurse. My career in nursing gave me more opportunities than I ever imagined was possible, really. I worked in lots of different areas, mainly the community, working with people with serious mental health problems, but who also struggled with addiction problems. As a result of that, I became a specialist practitioner and had the opportunity to really upskill and become very specialist in my area, meaning that I was able to provide really outstanding care for very vulnerable people. As a result of that, my practice developed and I went on to working with pregnant women who were experiencing those challenges. And so my days were never really spent in hospital wards. They were spent in people's homes, in meetings with social care, and trying to support people in the ways that work best for them within the context of their lives. I also had the opportunity as a nurse to train as a psychotherapist and really develop my skills in that way too. And so delivering psychotherapy was part of my day-to-day work in the NHS, and I really loved that part of my job. I also really love supporting students when they worked with us in practice and really enjoyed seeing them develop and grow as practitioners in their own right. So when an opportunity came for me to come to the university to work as a lecturer, I jumped at that. And so like all the other members of staff here, I maintain my nursing registration. So I am still a registered nurse, but now my day-to-day business is education, supporting other people in their dreams of becoming a healthcare professional, specifically in becoming a nurse. And that's something that I'm really proud of. I could never have imagined at the start of my nursing career that I would end up as an assistant professor, which is my title now. I've had so many opportunities whilst I've been here. So I get involved in research. I've completed a master's degree. I've completed a teaching qualification and various other professional qualifications. I've spoken at conferences. I've written research papers, and I've done all that in my role as a nurse. And so I really would encourage anyone thinking about a career in nursing to think about really going for it and do it here at the University of Bradford, where I guarantee you'll have a fantastic experience with lots of support.